In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blend two images in Canva. We'll walk through the whole process from start to finish, so even if you're new to Canva, you'll be able to follow along and create a clean, professional-looking image blend. First, open Canva and create a new design. You can choose a preset size like an Instagram post, a presentation slide, or a custom size depending on where you plan to use your final image. It's usually a good idea to match the dimensions to the platform you're designing for, so your blended image looks crisp and doesn't get cropped in strange ways. Once your blank canvas is ready, it's time to bring in your first image. On the left-hand side, click on the Upload section and upload your photo if it's not already in your library. Then, drag that image onto your canvas. Adjust the size by clicking and dragging the corners. You can fill the entire canvas or leave some space around it, depending on your design. Next, add your second image the same way. Upload it, then drag it onto your canvas. It will probably land on top of the first image, and that's exactly what we want. Resize and position it so the two images overlap in the area you want to blend. Take a moment here to think about your composition. For example, you might want a person on one side and a background scene on the other, meeting somewhere in the middle. Now we'll start the blending. Select the top image, then look for the transparency option in the toolbar above your design. It usually looks like a small checkered icon. Click that and slowly lower the transparency slider. As you decrease the opacity, you'll start to see the image underneath coming through. Adjust it until both images are visible in a way that feels balanced and intentional. Not too faint and not too harsh. To refine the blend even more, you can experiment with positioning. Move the top image slightly left or right, or resize it to get the best overlap. You can also add elements like gradients or shapes with soft edges to mask where the two images meet, giving you an even smoother transition. If you'd like extra polish, consider adding a subtle filter or color adjustment so both images share a similar tone and feel cohesive. When you're happy with the blend, give everything a final check, then download your design. And that's how you blend two images in Canva.